and welcome in our YouTube channel Thinker's Choice. Okay, in this video we will look about the diversity in the living world, or we can say a biodiversity. Bio means the life and the diversity means the variation which found in our earth, or we can say that the variations of the animal, plants and organism in our environment, they are called the diversity. If you look around, you will see a large variety of living organisms, that is the potted plant, insects, birds, your pets or other animals and plants. These are all types of variety of the living organism. We can't say only in our area we only have a dogs, only we have a cats. No, there are lots of various kinds of animals and plants are present in our surrounding. There are also several organisms that you can't see with your naked eyes because they are very small and we can't see without using the microscope. If you were to increase the area that you make observation in, the range of the variety of the organism that you see would increase. If you see in your surrounding, you have to see lots of pets, animals and birds, etc. If you choose the vast area or the very big range or the very big area, you find or you observe a variety of organisms present in that area. Obviously, if you were to visit the dense forest, you would probably see much more greater number and kinds of living organisms in it. If we go in the forest, we see a different kinds of living organism, animal, plant, which you never see in your surroundings. Each different kinds of plants, animal and organisms that you see represent a species. What the mean of this? That is, the different kinds of plants and animals, they are having a group, they are reproducing their offspring, that is called the species. Okay, a group of animals which are capable to produce their offspring are called the species. These number of species are known and describe the range between 1.7 to 1.8 million. That means in our whole world we found the different types of species, that the number is the 1.7 to 1.8 million, that these are the known. Okay, but unknown are lots of. This refers to biodiversity. Bio means the life, diversity means the variation or the variety of the living organism or the number types of organisms present on the earth. We can also say that different types of organisms which is present in the earth are called the diversity or biodiversity. We should remember here that as we explore the new area, if we find or if we go in the new area or even the old area, we found new organisms continuously. Okay, if we can't say that we have already observed that area, there is no new species. No, it may be new organism will be present there. As started earlier, the millions of plants and animals in the world, we know the plants and animal in our area, but their local names. Here what we see are different types of animal in your area, which you are giving a name, they having a local names. Plants also having the different types of local names, animals also having a different types of local names. These local names would vary from place to place. What the meaning of this? That means in different places there are same type of organisms called in a different name. That name is called its local name. Even within a country, probably you would recognize the confusion that would be created if you did not find the way to talk each other to refer organisms we are talking about. That means if you are taking a local name of your side and you will go in the another place, you are calling that animal in your local name, that will not recognized by those peoples who is living on that area. They make confusion. You taking a name of a animal in your local name and you are saying, you're asking to another person, what is this is that animal, but they didn't recognize because their local name is different from yours local name. You did not find a way to mean talk to each other. That means we did not find a way. Okay, we didn't have a meaningful talk to the different places. To refer to organisms we are talking about, which organisms we are talking, they can't recognize. Hence, there is a need to standardize the name of the living organism such that a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. That's why scientists have need. What they need? A particular name of a particular organism which is acceptable all over the world. Name would be small, simple and recognizable and acceptable all over the world, or we can say universally accepted name the scientists want to need. This type of process is called nomenclature. What the meaning of nomenclature? A particular organism given a name, that name which accepted by all over the world is called the nomenclature process of the organism. Obviously, nomenclature naming is possible when the organism described correctly. We know to what organism the name is attached to. This is the identification. Before nomenclature, we have to, or the scientists need to do the identification of the organism, what the organism feature is, and that should be correctly described. In order to facilitate the study, number of scientists have established procedure to assign a scientific name to each known organism. The local name, which is not accepted all over the world, or we cannot accept, we can say that it is not universally accepted. That's why a need of the scientific name must be necessary. Okay, by the procedure of the nomenclature, a particular plant or particular organism is given a scientific name, and that scientific name known as, by this scientific name an organism recognized in universally. This is acceptable to biologists all over the world. For example, plants scientific names are based on agreed principle and criteria which are provided in International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. For plants, the identification process is held through ICBN, that means the International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Animal's name will be given by ICZN code. This scientific name assures each organism has only one name. By giving the name of this type of coding, animals will be recognized by only one name all over the world. Description of any organism should enable the people in any part of the world to arrive in the same name. This time for bacteria, it is ICNB, International Code of Nomenclature of Bacteria, ICVN for V for virus, and ICNCP, International Code of Nomenclature of the Cultivated Plant. Okay, by these types of codes, plants, animals and different types of other organisms give the name. They also ensure such name has not been used for any other known organism. ICBN, the coding is also ensured, and they said that no other animal used these names, okay, which is already given to the another organism.